channel if it happens. Today I'm gonna make a smoothie and I wanted you to join me just to kind of see what I put in my smoothie and give you some ideas. So I just got back from a bike ride around Town Lake and I'm tired, my muscles are tired. I played pickleball earlier as well. So I am going to refuel by getting a good amount of carbs and protein so that way I can, replenish my glycogen stores that I used and help my muscles just kind of rebuild through recovery. So after you work out, making yourself a smoothie is a smart thing to do. And so I just wanted to take you through that with me. I talk about creating healthy habits, daily healthy habits, and this is one of them. Usually after one of my workouts, this is what I'll do is I'll make a smoothie. So just an idea to incorporate that into your daily habits. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss any of my videos. You can turn on those notifications as well. And if you have any questions about anything regarding just health, fitness, and wellness, nutrition, everything, just leave them in the comments. There are all types of smoothies that you can make. I personally have joined the Daily Harvest, plan where they bring these to my door every week. What's nice about Daily Harvest is everything's organic and everything's just in this cup ready to go. It's flash frozen at the farm. And there's all different types of smoothies you can choose from. By the way, I have no partnership with Daily Harvest. I just love these because it's easy. You can choose your own fruits and vegetables that go into your smoothie. For me, it's just nice. I can pick a cup out of the freezer. Everything's in there. If you look at this, the colors are beautiful, flash frozen. And there's a variety you can pick from. This one has mangoes. This one's called a mango green smoothie. I'm going to use this one today, but there's so many different ones. This one is a dragon fruit lychee smoothie. This one is a strawberry and cashew. So, and then we're going to add things to it. So if you don't have Daily Harvest, not a problem. Just the frozen fruit I like using because it keeps it super cold and it gives it a little bit thicker thickness to it. You can decide what you like personally. So today I'm going to choose the mango greens, and so I'm just going to pour this straight in to my blender. See how easy that is? Now, what do I add to this? There's lots of different options. So I definitely want to add some protein because this very little protein in this compared to what I need because I just ran and worked out. There are some options. You want to look for a really good protein powder, a clean protein powder. I shop at Whole Foods and most of them are, you can feel comfortable with. This is Garden of Life. So you can just pick a packet, make it easy and rip it off. This one is a chocolate. Also Amazing Greens. They have, or Amazing Grass, sorry. They have different flavors. So you can decide what flavors you want. For me, I actually use Truvani. Truvani is I'm not sponsored by them, but they are probably the cleanest product that I found. And with this protein powder, there's no flavor to it, which is great. So it doesn't change the flavor of my smoothie. And it's plant-based, which I like. And it's sweetened with monk fruit, which I like. But she's also added spinach, kale, broccoli, so there's some more greens, that are in this as well. Because that's what I like to do with my smoothies, is put greens in there so that I'm getting a good amount of greens just, with my smoothie to, throughout the day. Did you know you need at least 4 cups of raw vegetables per day? So this is a good start. Another thing, you can also just use hemp seeds, a little bit of protein in there, but good for fiber, flax seeds, chia seeds, whatever you want. So I am going to use my protein powder with some greens. And then I also found this at Whole Foods, and this is a superfood powder. So, I might as well get as many greens as I can. Drinking them. So put that in. And then just because I want my greens, make sure I'm getting my 4 cups a day, I'm gonna add just fresh spinach, and you don't taste the spinach, which is why I love it. So let's see, I'm just gonna put All right, so the last thing, what do I use for my liquid? It depends what kind of smoothie you're making. Since I'm making a fruit smoothie, then I will use some type of fruit juice. But you gotta be careful with that, and water. I kind of like to mix those two. So I love this brand, Lakewood, and this is fresh pressed juice. So I'm gonna use some of this, and my favorite juice is pineapple juice, it just is. So I'm going to use pineapple juice. You could use apple juice, orange juice, but again, you wanna kind of minimize that because of the sugars. But if I was gonna make a chocolate smoothie, say I did a chocolate smoothie, sometimes I'll add bananas, like a banana chocolate smoothie with some peanut butter or almond butter, some kind of nut butter. Then I would use a nut milk or an oat milk. So this is, I really like this brand, Forage. This is an oat milk. So you can change it up just so, getting a variety of it. Besides using Daily Harvest is, you already have the cup. So I'm going to pour about a little over a quarter of that. And I'm gonna get some water, filtered water over here. Now, ready to go. Just gonna pour that right in. And we're ready to go. I'm gonna go blend it up. Let's go. Okay, got my Vitamix blender over here. Look at that, lots of greens in there. We're gonna just put it, and away we go. Okay, got everything blended up. I'm just gonna put, it's another thing Daily Harvest has a little top. I'm gonna use a reusable straw, bam, and it's ready. Tasty, it's great. And I'm gonna feel much better that I did that because my body's gonna feel refueled. I'm gonna be able to work out tomorrow and feel good. So hopefully you enjoyed the video about smoothie making. Let me know if you have questions, leave the comments. And again, go ahead and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you can see other videos. Stay healthy.